Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial record was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of -3.91%. This corresponds to an average daily loss of -1.95% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.18% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 3.85% and 52.36%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 39.11%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 29.47% to 315.81% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimate ranging from $12.09 to $38.84. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price down 3.91% on Tuesday. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price declined by 3.91% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, dropping from $9.72 to $9.34. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.03%, ranging from a low of $9.32 to a high of $9.97. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 5.94% for this time frame. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $245.37 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price stands at 62.61%, or $15.64, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, is currently experiencing a notable decline in its stock value, having fallen by more than 50% year-to-date and currently standing at $10 per share. This downturn has largely been linked to unmet expectations from investors following the Consumer Electronics Show earlier this year. Nevertheless, the artificial intelligence sector remains a key area of interest for investors, with analysts such as Dan Ives highlighting the vast potential of the AI revolution. Recent developments indicate that investors are increasingly focused on SoundHound, leading to discussions regarding whether the stock is a suitable candidate for buying, selling, or holding at its current valuation. The company has made significant progress with the introduction of its Amelia 7.0 platform, which advances voice AI capabilities from merely reactive assistants to more autonomous agents. This innovation may play a vital role in the company's growth trajectory, suggesting that SoundHound's growth narrative is far from over. In the short term, volatility is expected as SOUN works to recover from its substantial decline. However, looking ahead, if SoundHound can successfully leverage the increasing demand for conversational AI and exhibit strong revenue growth, its stock price could experience a significant rebound. A combination of technological advancements and heightened market interest in AI positions SoundHound as a potentially solid investment as the sector continues to progress. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush rated SONU as buy with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again gave SONU a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush reported an outperform rating for SONU, along with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SONU a grade of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to the stock of SoundHound AI. They have evaluated the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio, both receiving a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, and so far it has risen by 2.64%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $9.60 and $9.95. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average provided a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 86 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages highlighted a buy signal 72 days ago. To explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.98. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.65 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.03%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.06. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.47. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $8.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Imami Majid executed an insider sale of 132,352 shares of Class A common stock. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Sroka Diana made an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Marcus Lawrence also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on the 23rd of May, Ball Eric R. engaged in an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 11.701. In total, insiders bought 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,812,293 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. stock exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. will likely underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we predict SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 2 cents and begin trading at $9.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.